Welcome to the biology class. Unit 16 Plant and Animal Hormones. In this video, we are going to learn two plant hormones. They are cytokinins and ethylene. Cytokinins are plant hormones which help the cell division. Cytos means cell, kinase is division. Cytokinins promote cell division or cytokinases in plant cells. When a cell is dividing, the nucleus divides first and then the cytoplasm divides. Division of cytoplasm is called as cytokinesis. It was first isolated from herringfish sperm. Cytokinin isolated from Z maize is called as zeatin. Cytokinin is found more in the liquid endosperm of coconut. Endosperm is a nutritive tissue stored inside the seeds. In coconut, the edible white part is endosperm. The endosperm found in tender coconut is liquid endosperm that contains cytokinins. Cytokinins were first isolated from herringfish. The cytokinin found in Z maize is zeatin. The coconut endosperm is rich with cytokinins. Cytokinins induce cell division in the presence of axons. Cytokinins combine with axons and help cell division. When a cell is dividing, new cells are formed. The new cells are smaller in size, then they undergo cell enlargement. The newly formed cells become large and reach the original size. That results in growth. Cytokinins promote cell division and cell enlargement. Cytokinins combined with axons and form new organs from the callus. Cytokinins combine with axon and form new organs from the callus. This technique is used in plant tissue culture. Plant tissue culture is a technique in biotechnology. In this technique, a full plant develops from few cells. In this technique, callus is formed first. Plant tissue culture is a technique in which new plants arise from few cells. In this technique, callus is formed first. This is callus. Callus is a meristematic tissue. Here the cells are young cells. Cytokinins combine with axon and stimulate the callus to form organs. Root and shoot like organs develop from callus under the influence of cytokinins and axons. This is called as morphogenesis. Plant tissue culture is a technique used in biotechnology. In this procedure, axon and cytokinin hormones are applied to produce organs from callus. Cytokinins promote the growth of lateral buds. Already we discussed while learning the axons, lateral buds do not grow when the tip of the plant is present. But cytokinins promote the growth of lateral buds even in the presence of apical bud. This picture shows the growth of lateral bud. Cytokinins promote the growth of lateral buds even the apical bud is present. Application of cytokinin delays the process of aging in plants. This is called as Richmond-Lang effect. Aging process is delayed in plants by cytokinins. This is called as Richmond-Lang effect. The cytokinins present in the liquid endosperm of coconut has anti-aging effect on plants. Ethylene is a gaseous hormone It is produced by the plant parts which undergo aging. Ethylene is mainly concerned with maturation and ripening of fruits. When the fruit is ripening, the color is changed. The fruit becomes soft in most of the fruits. Let us see the physiological effects of ethylene. Ethylene causes ripening of fruits in tomato and apple. It also causes ripening of fruits in banana. When the fruit is ripening, the color is changed. It also causes ripening in mango. Ethylene inhibits the elongation of stem and roots in dicots. Ethylene inhibits the lengthwise growth of stem and root in dicot plants. Ethylene hastens the senescence of leaves and flowers. Senescence of leaf and flowers is speed up by ethylene. Senescence is the life of plants or plant parts before death. A leaf or fruit grows, the size increases, and it reaches the aging process. In leaf, the chlorophyll disappears. The leaf is going to be dry. The end stage is called as senescence. The part of life of leaf or flowers before the death is senescence. The senescence process is speed up by ethylene. Ethylene stimulates the formation of abscission zone in leaves, flowers and fruits. Abscission zone is found at the base of leaves, flowers and fruits. At the base of leaves, flowers, fruits, loosely arranged cells are formed. The cells are loosely arranged. This part is called as abscission zone. This leads to premature shedding of leaves, flowers and fruits. Young leaves, young flowers, young fruits fall down because of the abscission zone created by ethylene. Abscission is a natural process of falling down of aged parts, but ethylene causes premature shedding of leaves, flowers, fruits by the formation of abscission zone. Abscission zone is formed of loosely arranged cells which are found at the base of leaves, flowers and fruits. Ethylene breaks the dormancy of buds, seeds and storage organs. Dormancy is an inactive state. When a bud remains small without growing, that is because of dormancy. When we eat mango and throw out the seeds do not germinate immediately because they are in a dormancy state. After the completion of dormancy, the seeds germinate, the buds develop. Ethylene breaks the dormancy of seeds, buds and storage organs, so the buds grow, the seeds germinate. The seeds germinate after breaking the dormancy. When ethylene is sprayed on buds and seeds, the ethylene breaks dormancy and the buds will grow immediately. In this video, we discussed about the two phytohormones. They are cytokinins and ethylene.